Your application is ready to submit, but before that, you must make a final payment of 140 British pounds using either your MasterCard or Visa card into the Nursing and Midwifery Council United Kingdom account before your application can be evaluated. Hello and welcome back to the channel, Ghana University Application Tips. Our main goal as a channel is to help all tertiary applicants gain admissions successfully into their favorite institution, and as well as any traveling opportunities that comes your way when you want to go abroad. So I'll urge you to subscribe to this channel, like the video and leave a comment. This will let the channel grow more as we continue to make more exciting content. So did you know that due to the high demand of healthcare workers in the United Kingdom, many nurses from Ghana are seeking employment opportunities there? In this video, we'll go through the step-by-step processes of how to work as a nurse in the United Kingdom and what you need to do to get there. The United Kingdom is in need of qualified nurses and has a shortage of skilled professionals, making it a great opportunity for Ghanaian nurses to further their career in the United Kingdom. So hang tight and let us discuss the step-by-step processes of becoming a professional nurse in the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom recognizes nursing qualifications from Ghana that have been obtained from institutions accredited by the Nursing and Midwifery Council of Ghana. It must be a registered nurse or a midwife in order to be eligible for registration and pursuing a full-time career as a nurse in the United Kingdom. Thus, one must possess the following required documents. Traveling passport. You will need to provide a valid passport as proof of identity. Qualifications. You will need to provide evidence of your qualifications, including school transcripts and certificates. These qualifications must be equivalent to those required for registration in the United Kingdom. Language proficiency. You will need to provide evidence of your English language proficiency. This may include passing an approved English language test or completing an approved qualification in English. Work experience. You will need to provide details of your work experience as a nurse or midwife, including dates of employment and job titles. Character and health declaration. You will need to complete a declaration regarding your character and health. This may include criminal record check and overall health assessment. Payments. You will need to pay the registration fee and any other fees associated with the registration process. So let's take a look at the major application processes of how to become a professional nurse in the United Kingdom. And the first step in the process is to register with the Nursing and Midwifery Council in the United Kingdom. The Nursing and Midwifery Council is a regulatory body for nurses and midwives in the United Kingdom and is responsible for maintaining high standards of nursing practice. To register with the Nursing and Midwifery Council, you will need to provide evidence of your nursing qualifications, demonstrate that you have the necessary language skills to communicate effectively in English, and provide a good character reference. You will also need to pay a registration fee, which is currently £140. You will also be required to apply and take the Nursing and Midwifery Council's computer-based test, which requires all overseas trained nurses and midwives to pass a computer-based test called the Objective Structured Clinical Examinations (OSCE) before they can register. You can apply and take the OSCE through the NMC website. To demonstrate your English proficiency, nursing students in Ghana are typically required to take the West African Senior School Certificate Examination, also known as WASE, which includes an English language component. Additionally, the Nursing and Midwifery Council of the United Kingdom require nurses to take the International English Language Testing System exams, also known as IELTS, or Test of English as a Foreign Language exams, also known as TOEFL, to demonstrate their proficiency in English. This video will guide you through the beginning of the online application process, that is registration and making payment of the £140. So you register with the NMC UK, and this is their official homepage. You go to registration, click on joining the register, register as a nurse or midwife, click on trained outside the United Kingdom, check if you are ready to register. So you click on that and continue the application process. So on the right side, you complete eligibility and qualification application. So you begin your application, you have the overview of the application, you click on start application, and you check if you are ready to register. You click on next. You click on either you are a registered nurse or a midwife to confirm your registration and begin your application. You select the field of specialty, whether adult, children. You also click on yes to declare, and you have not been issued a certificate. You click on your nationality and the country you were trained. After viewing the summary, you click on I understand and click on next. Here you are to enter all your biographical details and save and continue to the next portion. So after entering, you click on I have understood the NMC's website terms and conditions, and you click on next. Sign up to register with the NMC's website online. So you create a new password and confirm your password. A link of the website will be sent to your email address within 24 hours. So you have to confirm your new registration. You enter your email address and your password and follow the security questions. So with the next portion of the registration, you are required to provide information about your caring responsibilities, ethnicity, disability, gender identity, sexual orientation, religion and belief, and this will help them understand the diversity of the type of nurses they are registering into their Nursing and Midwifery Council. With the next category, you are required to enter the details of your qualification and upload a clear scan supporting document, be it your registered nursing certificate, your transcripts, and your NMC certificate back in your homeland country. With this category, if you've been known by any other name, you are required to provide evidence of your new name change so they can be assured of your identity. Tick on all three boxes to confirm your declaration that the information provided is accurate and complete to the best of your knowledge. Your application is ready to submit, but before that, you must make a final payment of 140 British pounds using either your MasterCard or Visa card into the Nursing and Midwifery Council United Kingdom accounts before your application can be evaluated. Applicants should also kindly note that this evaluation fee, which is the 140 British pounds, is non-refundable. Step 2 of the application process requires searching for a job. Once you've completed your registration with the Nursing and Midwifery Council of the United Kingdom, you can start searching for job opportunities. There are several ways to do this, including searching for job opportunities online, contacting recruitment agencies, or directly approaching hospitals and any other healthcare facilities. When applying for jobs, make sure to highlight your experience and qualifications and be prepared to undergo interviews as well as assessments. The third step is applying for a visa to work in the United Kingdom. So after you've secured a job offer, the next step is applying for a visa to work in the United Kingdom. And the most common visas for nurses is the Tier 2 General Visa. To be eligible for this visa, you will need to provide a certificate of sponsorship from your employer, meet the minimum threshold of £30,000 a year, and provide other necessary documents which allows non-UK residents to work up to 5 years in the United Kingdom. So the fourth step is travel arrangements. And once you've obtained your visa, you can begin to make travel arrangements to the United Kingdom. It is also important to note that there may be quarantine requirements or other travel restrictions in place due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. So it is important to check the latest advice before making your travel plans. Step 5 involves getting settled in the United Kingdom, and after arriving in the United Kingdom, you will need to get settled and start your new job. You may need to apply for a national insurance number, which is a unique identifier used by the United Kingdom government for tax and benefit purposes. You may also need to open a bank account and register with a doctor or a dentist. It is important to familiarize yourself with the United Kingdom's healthcare system and the cultural norms of the country and start working, living a happy, fulfilling life. Thank you for watching this video. If you're a professional nurse seeking to travel and work abroad, kindly follow these steps and enjoy this opportunity. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you in the upcoming video.